Have you ever bought something online and thought, I just hope this works? Maybe from an Instagram seller, maybe you paid someone online to do work for you, because when you are dealing with people online, you are basically trusting that the other person won't disappear, cheat you, or waste your time. And because humans don't always keep promises, we created middlemen and apps, someone in the middle to make sure nobody gets cheated. But here is the crazy part. What if the agreement itself could execute automatically? No waiting, no excuses, no middlemen. That is the idea behind smart contracts. And once you understand this, you will understand why people believe smart contracts could change industries far beyond crypto. So in this video, let's finally understand smart contracts in simple English. No complicated jargon, no coding knowledge needed. Just real-world examples that actually make sense. Because honestly, smart contracts sound complicated until someone explains them properly. Now let's start with something simple. What is a normal contract? A contract is basically an agreement. If this happens, then this should happen. Simple. For example, you hire a freelancer. You say, if you complete the project, I will pay you. Or you buy a house. If I transfer the money, the house becomes mine. Or even food delivery apps. If the food is delivered, the money is released. Now, traditionally, someone usually sits in the middle to make sure that both sides follow the rules. That's why we have banks, lawyers, platforms. Because humans don't naturally trust random strangers online. So, we created something in the middle that both sides could trust. But over time, those systems created new problems too. Extra fees, delays, paperwork, and sometimes people with more money, more power, or better connections still end up winning. Now imagine this instead. Imagine a system where the moment the conditions are met, the contract executes automatically. No one manually approves it, no one can stop it, no one can quietly change the rules later. That is a smart contract. And at its core, a smart contract is simply a program on the blockchain that runs automatically when certain conditions are met. That's it. Not scary, not magical, actually pretty logical. The easiest way to understand this is through a vending machine. You put money in, the machine checks, did this person pay enough? If yes, the snack comes out. If no, the machine waits for the remaining amount. No cashier, no manager, no negotiation. Just if this happens, then do this. That's basically how smart contracts work. Now, normal apps also automate things. So what's different here? The special part is smart contracts run on blockchains, which means no single company controls them, not even the creator. And once the smart contract is deployed, the rules usually can't be changed later on. That changes everything, because now, instead of trusting a company, you trust the code. Now you might be thinking, okay, but why would I trust code? Think about it. You already do every single day. You trust ATMs, payment apps, ticket scanners. You already trust machines to follow rules. Smart contracts basically do the same thing for online agreements. Now let's look at some modern examples. Imagine you are a freelancer. Normally, you complete work and then chase client for payment. Awkward emails, delayed payments, excuses. Now imagine a smart contract instead. The client deposits money first. The contract says, if the work is delivered, release payment automatically. Suddenly, you don't need to trust each other personally. The system handles it automatically. Second example, imagine buying something from a random website. Right now, you are trusting that the product will actually arrive. But with smart contracts, the money could stay locked until the delivery is confirmed. No fake promises, no payment disputes. And this idea goes far beyond shopping. Third example, online gaming. Right now, most game items aren't truly yours. If a game shuts down, everything disappears. But with games built on blockchain, your assets can actually belong to you. You can buy, sell, or transfer them. That's why so many people got excited about Web3 gaming. Now let's go even bigger. Imagine buying a house. Today, buying property can take forever. Paperwork, verification, approvals, but smart contracts could automate a lot of this. The moment the conditions are met, the ownership transfers automatically. And this isn't some sci-fi fantasy anymore. Big companies, banks, and even governments are already experimenting with this stuff. Now, obviously, smart contracts aren't perfect. And this part is important because some crypto videos make it sound like smart contracts are magic. They are not. If bad code gets deployed, bad things happen. And because they are hard to change later, fixing mistakes can become difficult. And we have already seen this happen before. There have been hacks, bugs, and cases where millions of dollars have been lost. So yes, smart contracts are insanely powerful, but they still need to be designed very carefully. Now, here's the really important part. A lot of people think smart contracts are just a crypto thing, but honestly, crypto might just be the beginning, because what smart contracts really introduce is trust built into the system, and that idea is massive. Think about how much of society runs on trust, paperwork, and middlemen. Now imagine more and more agreements becoming automatic. Not because people suddenly became perfect, but because the rules are already set. That's why smart contracts matter. They matter because they try to solve a very old human problem. How do two strangers trust each other? And maybe the internet of the future won't just move information around, maybe it will also move trust. So now, I want to ask you, where do you think smart contracts could have the biggest impact? Banking, gaming, or real estate? Drop it in the comments. And if this video finally helped you understand smart contracts, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.